Hey guys, it's me Coco here, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm finally going to show you my brand new car. This is way better than my 2018 Honda Civic. Now I'm broke down, so I bought a new one, and it cost me like $30 just for this. So here it is, Jesse, move that away. It's a Jeep Hurricane. So as you can see, this is a big and major upgrade. Two-seater Jeep Hurricane right here. So you got like your sticks to go forward, back, and reverse. And then right here, I just jump in. No, you don't even have to open the doors like my old one. Just hop in, right? And as you can see, I got some forward. I got like music. I don't know if you can see. Music in this. So, and it also drives. See, it works. It's a beast. See, I'm driving just one-handed. So stop the vehicle. See, it's so when I say stop, it stops. So yes, it has an engine right here. Look, see that engine? Yes. Pretty nice. These plasticky tires. We got right here. We have a light. It's one light. The other one I got lights.
Has 2 seats.
This thing.
Has 2 seats.
See, as you guys can see, it's an awesome vehicle. See this? Awesome vehicles right here.
Gasoline.
Steering wheel. It has a steering wheel.
Gasoline.
And if you want to call the police on me, here's my license plate. You can call the police on me right here. So yes, you got backlights, axles. So call the police on me if you want.
Trying to get off.
And then there's a G. And then this is the hook to hook some stuff up. So it is overall a beast car. I don't know. I just got it like 1 month ago. So yeah. So yeah. Thank you guys for looking at my brand new car. Comment down below what you want me to do on my vehicle. So tell me if you guys like it. And yeah. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.